Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. And as always, I appreciate you hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. And we're going to be diving into how you can password protect a PowerPoint presentation, an Excel workbook, or a Word Microsoft document. And that is the topic for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, I'm Curtis Hyde. I'm with Colorado Computer Support, and I appreciate you joining me as always. So let's go and let's jump into that. So how do you password protect a document? Well, it's pretty simple. So we're going to do a demonstration on Excel. But Excel, PowerPoint, and Word are all going to label this a little bit different. So if you do this through Excel, it's going to use the term workbook. If you're going to use Word, they're going to call it a document. If you use PowerPoint, it's going to be called a presentation. Steps are the same, just a different name in one part. So let's go and talk about how we do this. So all you're going to do is open an Excel sheet or whatever you're working for this. I'm just going to use an Excel. You're going to open it. You're going to go ahead and click the File button in the upper left-hand corner. From there, you're going to go ahead and hit Info. Then you're going to click Protect this workbook, and then as soon as you protect that or hit the Protect button, you're going to type in a password, and then it's going to ask for you to type in it again just to make sure you have it right. At that point, you now have a password protected document added to that. So now if you go ahead and close it out, reopen it, you're going to see it prompts on the screen, hey, type in that password. You type in the password, and then it's going to reload. That document with an additional layer of security, just in case you might be working with something that's very important, critical documents, or whatever you might have inside of there that is very pertinent to you or the company. So if you have any questions about that, want to learn more about any other types of security or what other measures you can put in place to protect you or your employees in your office, feel free to reach out to us or Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. And you can find us at 719-439-0599 or on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, thanks for joining me as always. I appreciate it. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next time for another edition of the Tuesday Tech Tip. Thank you so much.